Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online class. This is Chaman Singh and today we will read History chapter 6 in new book or chapter 7 in old book. This is our part 3rd reading section. Student, today we will read the next topic of this lesson, that is Jainism. So let's start and hear properly and try to learn difficult word meanings. The last and 24th Tirthankara of the Jainas, Vardhaman Mahavira, also spread his message around this time. Example, 2500 years ago, he was a Kshatriya prince of the Likshmis, a group that was part of the Vajji Sangha, about which you read in chapter 5. At the age of 30, he left home and went to live in a forest. For 12 years, he led a hard and lonely life, at the end of which he attained enlightenment. He taught a simple doctrine. Now, the meaning of doctrine is a set of beliefs. It means सिद्धांत या मत या कोई विचार. Men and women who wish to know the truth must leave their homes. They must follow very strictly the rules of ahimsa, which means not hurting or killing living beings. All beings, said Mahavira, long to live. To all things, life is dear. Ordinary people could understand the teachings of Mahavira and his followers because they used Prakrit. There were several forms of Prakrit used in different parts of the country and named after the regions in which they were used. For example, the Prakrit spoken in Magadha was known as Magadhi. Followers of Mahavira who were known as Jainas had to lead very simple lives. Begging for food, they had to be absolutely honest. The meaning of absolutely is completely or totally. It means purtah ya puri tarah. And were especially asked not to steal. Also, they had to observe celibacy. The meaning of celibacy is chastity or virginity. It means brahmacharya ya कुंवारापन होना. And men had to give up everything including their clothes. It was very difficult for most men and women to follow these strict rules. Nevertheless, thousands left their homes to learn and teach this new way of life. The meaning of nevertheless is in spite of that. It means फिर भी या तथापि. Many more remained behind and supported those who became monks and nuns, providing them with food. The meaning of monks is a male member of a religious group who live in a special building and never marry. It means bhikshu ya sannyasi. The meaning of nun is a female member of a religious group who live in a special building and never marry and also away from the men. It means bhikshudi ya sannyasini. Jainism was supported mainly by traders. Farmers who had to kill insects to protect their crops found it more difficult to follow the rules. Over 100 of years, Jainism spread to different parts of North India and to Gujarat. Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The teachings of Mahavira and his followers were transmitted orally for several centuries. The meaning of transmitted is to send or pass something from one person or place to another. It means किसी संदेश या किसी बात को एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक पहुंचाना या प्रेषित करना या विस्तार करना. They were written down in the form in which they are presently available at a place called Vallabhi in Gujarat about 1500 years ago. See map 7, page number 105. Now student, this is the topic. I hope you have listened properly. If you have any doubt or any problem, you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. Till stay safe, stay happy. Good luck. All the best.